How to insert arrows in Word. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So launch your Word and then open a blank document. So there are many ways that you can insert a arrow. The number one method is simply go to home and then you'll see several bullets here. Drag this down and then select a bullet. You can also make it from here. Simply select OK and then you will get a new bullet. This is an arrow but an opposite one. But if you want to insert a direct arrow, go to shapes and then here you will see several line arrows and then you will be able to make it the way you want. And also you will be able to edit it as well. So increase it and change its shape, size and whatever you want. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.